Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out Comet Browser, a new AI-powered browser made by Perplexity AI. It's built on Chromium, so it feels like Chrome but with a twist. It has a built-in AI assistant that can summarize pages, answer questions, and help you research faster. So let's jump in and take a quick walkthrough to see what makes Comet different and if it's worth trying out. So after you have set up your account, you'll be brought right here. So if you have used Perplexity AI before, you'll actually notice that it is quite similar with the style and the colors. And you'll also see the search bar right here at the middle. And here is you will see the search option. So on the basic plan, it will provide fast answers to everyday questions. But if you have Pro enabled, you'll have advanced search with 10 times the sources powered by top models. Next is the research. So it has deep research on any topic. But if you have Pro enabled, it will give you in-depth reports with more sources, charts, and advanced reasoning. And for the labs, it will create projects from scratch. But if you have Pro enabled, it will turn your ideas into completed documents, slides, dashboards, and more. And next is the step-by-step learning. So everyone will have this feature. So it will give you interactive learning and study tools that guide you toward deeper understanding beyond quick answers. And here on the right side is you will see this one, which is the option for searches. So you can go with web. So if you set it to web, it will search across the entire internet. If it's academic, it will search academic papers. If it's social, it will search for discussions and opinions. And if it's about finance, it will search about the SEC filings. But of course, you could also check out everything right there if you want. But if you only need one or two, you'll just simply need to turn it on just like that. We also have the option here of choosing a model. So it is set to best at default, but of course you could use the Sonar, GPT-5, Claude Sonnet, Gemini, and all the other AIs right here. You could also attach files if you want, so you could go with the local files, or you could also connect files from Google Drive or Dropbox. And of course you could also use the dictation option right here if you want to search something using your voice. And here at the bottom of the search bar, you will see the widgets. So as you can see, we have the note, we have the security, and we also have stocks right here. And let's say you want to change it, just simply click on the three dot option, then click on settings. Let's say you want to see Apple, and I'm just going to type A, and as you can see, it will automatically show Apple right there. So I'm just going to click on it, click on done, and it will show the stocks of Apple just like that. And below that, it will show you your recently visited website. And if you want to edit out your widgets, just simply click on edit widgets here at the bottom. Then you will see all of the available widgets right there. And if you want to remove a widget, you just simply need to click on the three dot icon on the top left of that particular widget. So click on it, then click on remove. And as you can see, it will automatically be removed just like that. So let's say I want to remove all of this. You could also remove your recently visited websites just like that. And if you want to add something, let's say you want to add the clock, just simply click on the plus icon right there. And I also want to add the weather and this one, and maybe also this widget right here. Just like that. Once that's done, just simply click on done right here at the bottom. So do note that this is what a new website or a new tab will look like. But as you can see, if I click on this book icon right here, it will bring me right here on the Perplexity page, as you can see. And if I hover to the sidebar here on the left side, as you can see, I have options to edit out the sidebar if I want. I could customize it for the home option. And I could also remove something if I want. I could also add something to the library like a thread or a page. And we also have the discover panel right here where you will see a ton of stuff. So we have our weather, the market outlook, and some news right here. And as you can see right here, trending companies and all the other stuff just like that. And we also have these spaces, so you could actually create a dedicated space to help you organize sources, threads, and collaboration around a specific topic. And there's also templates that you could use. So you could use an essay grader. There's like a citation generator right here, study guide generator. So you could convert notes, slides, or textbooks into comprehensive and organized study guides. You also have the Open Research Explorer and a ton of other stuff right there. And there's also filters right here, so you won't need to go through everything, right? Just like that. So let's say you just want something about research, just simply go to research and it will show you all of the available templates just like that. But if you want to create a new space on your own, just simply click on create. Then it will bring you right here and you could name the space. You could add a description of what the space is for and how to use it. And here you could add files, add links, and also add instructions. And here on the top right is the settings of the space. So if I click on that, it will show you the settings just like so. And you could also share this if you want. So you could invite members, and you could set also the privacy. So you could set it to only invited members or anyone with the link, and also invite contributors by just simply putting their email right here. And here at the bottom, you will see the copy link right there. And once you have invited members, you will see them right here on the people with access. And if you want to delete a space, you just simply need to hover to the three dot icon here on the top right, then click on it, then click on delete space, then click on confirm. And as you can see, the space has been deleted just like that. And here at the bottom, you will see the finance section. So you will see all of these stocks just like so. And there's also sections right here like crypto, earnings, screener, and politicians just like that. And here at the bottom, you'll see the notifications if you have. And here is your account just like so. And here you will see your account, your preferences, personalization, assistant, shortcuts, tasks, notifications, connectors, API, pro perks, and all of these settings just like that. And you could also view plans here if you want. And there's also an incognito mode if you want to use it. And if ever you want to upgrade, there's this option right here where if I click on it, it will bring you right here on this section. And now I'll show you what the AI assistant can actually do. So now let's try to search for something. So let's say I want to search for iPhone 17. And notice that there's two options that I could pick from. So I could ask Perplexity right here, or I could just simply search it from Google. So let's try searching it from Google first. So if I do that, it will show me the basic or the usual stuff that Google will show you if you search for something. But if I search for iPhone 17 using the Perplexity AI right here, as you can see, it is now loading it up and it will show me all of the important notes or keynotes that I should know. So as you can see, it will show me all of this stuff right there. It will show me the key features like design and display, camera system, performance and battery, and security and software. It will also show me the prices just like that. So it will give me the price and also the features on what it's included on the Pro models, as you can see. And also it will show me the sources if ever I want to go through all of those one by one. And we also have the images section right here. And it will also show the sources just like so. So it's a pretty awesome way on getting to know some piece of information faster and more detailed rather than just simply Googling it. And next is the summarize feature. So let's say you're on New York Times. And of course, as you scroll through everything right here, there are tons of news and informations that you will need to go through. And sometimes it's a pain to basically need to read all throughout this page right here. So what you can do using Comet is use the summarize option right here. So we could either use Alt S, which is the shortcut on summarizing a web page or the current web page. Or you could just simply hover to this icon right here on the top right of the browser, then click on it. And as you can see, it is now summarizing the web page or your current web page. And it will show you all of the necessary information like the summary. And it will also show you the top headlines today and also the other sections just like so. So using this will save you a lot of time compared to just basically scrolling out the page just like this. And next is, let's say you're watching a video, and of course video sometimes has a long duration. So let's say you're watching a podcast which spans like about an hour or two, or maybe like a 10 to 20 minute video that you really don't want to finish. So what you can do is click on the assistant option right here on the top right, then click on summarize this video, and then just simply wait, and Perplexity or Comet will actually transcribe the video to basically show you all of the key notes or important stuff to remember. So as you can see right here, it noted the introduction and purpose, playing the scale, understanding the name, the octave concept, music theory versus practical application, and all of the important stuff just like that. So this can save you a lot of time if, let's say, you're watching a video lecture that is very long and you don't really have the time to review everything. So this is one of the things that you can do to speed things up. Next is, let's say you're reviewing or reading a research. You could also use the summarize option right here. So if I click on the summarize the current web page right here, it will actually summarize everything again. So it will check every page of the PDF just like so. So as you can see, here is the key earthquakes analyzed and all the other stuff. It also gave a conclusion just like that. So you could also add prompts. So let's say list all of the places. So just like that. Now I'll just simply enter it, then wait for Perplexity to reply to me. So as you can see, here is the list just like that. So this can help you read and review important keynotes in a research. Next feature that we're going to talk about is the feature on identifying objects and places. So as you can see, I have iShow speed right here. And let's say I want to know what costume speed used right there. So I'm just going to simply capture my screen and take a screenshot of the costume speed used right there and open up the assistant, and I'll just simply paste it right here. So I ask what costume did speed use here. And I'm just going to simply click on this arrow to enter it. And as you can see, the costume shown in the image is a superhero suit inspired by the Reverse Flash from the DC comics. And from there, you could now just simply ask follow-up questions if you have any. And next is, let's try to identify places on a thumbnail. So here, let's say I want to know where this place is. So I'm just going to simply take a screenshot again, just like that. Then paste it right here. Then ask Perplexity, where is this place? Just like so. So here, as you can see, it replied the place in the image is Mount Rushmore in South Dakota in the US. It will also give you some details about that particular place. Next thing that you can do is for like online shopping and stuff, or if you want to subscribe to a certain membership. So Perplexity or Comet can actually find and apply coupon codes for you, and also find products that you want. So let's say I want to add to my cart an iPhone 17 Pro Max. So I'm going to say just like that, and I'll click on enter. Then just wait for it to load, and as you can see, Comet or the Perplexity AI browser is now taking over my page just like that. So as you can see, it's now scrolling through everything, scrolling to all of the options, and you just simply need to wait until the process finishes. And now, as you can see, it has now been added to my cart just like that. And here is, let's say you're going to get a membership, or you're going to subscribe to a membership. Perplexity can actually help you with that. So let's say I want to go with this plan right here, which is the most popular one. So I'm going to select the plan, and here there's a promotion code right there, just like that. So once you're here, just simply go to the assistant and just type in find me a discount code and apply it. Just like that, click on enter, then simply wait for it. And as you can see, it went and searched out on the entire internet to find a suitable or the best coupon code for me. So as you can see, I have this coupon code right here, which is 10% off for a year, just like that. So just like that, it can save you a lot of time rather than searching for a coupon code manually. Next feature that I want to show you is that Comet can actually make e-commerce product purchases. So right here, for example, let's say I'm going to add a prompt, take over the browser and find me the best round trip ticket for two for a 1-week anniversary vacation to Bali, Indonesia from London. So here, just simply tap on enter. And here it will show you the process, and if I click on this thumbnail right here or a preview, it will actually show me everything on what it's doing. So as you can see, it will also show you the steps, so it's inputting your location and stuff. And if you see something wrong with what Comet is doing, there's an option to pause the Comet assistant and maybe retry a prompt again or say something on what's wrong and stuff. And you could also skip the remaining steps if ever you're satisfied with wherever you are. So you simply need to wait until this process finishes. And now let's try another one right here. So take over the browser and plan a scenic road trip from Paris to Barcelona with 2 stops. And let's wait again till the process finishes. And as you can see, it is now done, and it will show you the scenic route and stops right here, and also the scenic highlights and alternatives, and also top attractions at each stop, as you can see right there. So these are one of the few features that you can use here on the Comet browser. So there are still a ton of stuff that you can use, like comparing products across websites, managing tabs efficiently, automatically filing out forms, voice assistant features, and a bunch of other stuff. And that's it for our quick walkthrough of the Comet browser. It's still new, but you can already see how its built-in AI makes browsing a lot smarter and faster. And if you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more tech walkthroughs like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.